Yeah.
Hey guys, so we are here at Split Apple Rock, and we took the boat out just for a quick short trip, and yeah, Nikita is loving it. This is her favorite spot right up here in the front of the boat. What's it called?
I have no idea.
She likes the hatch at the front of the boat. So that's my description of what it is. I actually don't know what the word is. So yeah, it's really fun, really pretty out here. It's a gorgeous day. We are in winter, and we're out here in our shorts and t-shirts. So yeah, a lot of fun.
Okay, Naomi, you want to give a quick tour of the boat?
Sure. This is the front of the boat.
Oh.
Yeah. And that's the back of the boat.
So not really much to it, but everything's in really nice condition. We have back seats. We have seats where it's go front and backwards. So it is really nice. And then we added one of these rubber floors, so that's been really nice. And then, yeah, there's more than enough room in there.
Spot.
Yeah.
And these flip up, which is really nice.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
storage underneath them.
Yeah, so we could always put stuff in there if we need. Don't we, Nikita? You happy?
Happy.
We have found that this boat goes nice, but it's like, it like tips really easily. And so, not tips, it just like, it sways. I don't know if you can see the swaying.
It feels very unstable.
Yeah, so like you really have to balance it right, and we're still trying to figure out how. We keep saying, you know, hearing people say get on plane and like trying to figure out all that and everything like
We
that.
don't know what plane means.
So we would appreciate any help, any boat experts out there, or anybody who knows anything about boats. Let us know your tips. We would appreciate
That's
it.
what this part is called.
Yeah, the front. But man, this is a pretty cool area and just a gorgeous day. And yeah, especially the days out here where there's no wind, like at all. I think we're at 1 knot. I got an app called the Windy app, and it's amazing. And it tells us what the wind is and everything like that. Seems pretty accurate. And yeah, we basically just follow that to know what the good days are to get out. But yeah, all around, like I'd say we're pretty excited to have this. It would be nice if we had a property to use it on to go with it, but one of these days, right? So, but I think we're gonna grab the drone out and let's see what other cool footage we can get. I'd say it's a bit nerve-wracking doing all this drone stuff on the boat. We'll see how it goes though. Should be all right. Hey, and we have 50% battery on the drone. Oh boy. I really have to learn all these boat knots and everything like that. But that was a pretty successful trip right here.